Hi, it's Jamie with Jamie's Arts a la Cartes. Thank you very much for joining me. I have a fun project planned for us today. I hope this video inspires you to create something of your own. If you would, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. That helps me to grow this channel and to continue to bring you new projects. If you haven't subscribed yet, would you please consider subscribing? And if you have, thank you very much. Well, we have a lot to do, so let's get to it. Hi, it's Jamie with Jamie's Arts a la Cartes. Thank you so much for joining me today. Ooh, I've got a fun project. So we are going to do a box opening. Yes, we got a CNC machine, which is that laser engraver. It came in a box that looks like this. Oh my, when you open it up, it looks like that. So it's going to go out into one of the barns and get assembled, and then we will come back to you. Oh my word, got a new toy to learn how to work. Well, I am experimenting with the new laser. It's a very simple design, and burning it on the wood. How interesting. Alright, test number, I don't know, test. We're going to try this over here. There's the first one for today, or actually second one for today. Came out kind of cute, but we're experimenting with some of those numbers up there. We'll see how this one goes. Wow, that's looking really good. Is that cool or what? So the computer is a Christmas present from my daughter and son-in-law. They're very gifted in that. My husband got me the laser. So now I have a fun new toy that I have to learn. How cool is that? I have a special teenager in mind for something. Not sure what that is yet. Well, this is our setup that we have out here in the she shed. Right, so we've got it quite nice. I've been able to create, I've got a couple other pieces that I've already given away, but I've got these for some very special young men in our lives. This is kind of where we started, right? So that's one of those pens, and you use like a heat gun, and you can see no matter what I did, I just couldn't get a clean look on it. So that's where it started, and I started just searching, investigating, trying to figure out how can I make that happen but not do that, because that just wasn't good, right? I tried really hard to make some wooden hangers for my daughter's wedding, but that's what I had at the time, and I couldn't make it happen, right? I was so disappointed in myself. So we searched and searched and searched, and we found this sweet little laser, thanks to a very nice waitress where we go to have breakfast every once in a while. She had just bought one and shared that with me, so looked into it. It happened just to be on sale, so we snagged it, right? The kids built us the machine, the computer. So we have some really great end results, right? But, all right, you ready for the bloopers? Here are some bloopers. All right, so we had to learn about speeds and strengths of the laser, right? So that was my husband, y'all. I didn't do that one. But we had to start somewhere, right? Let's see. Yeah, it burnt all the way through, right? And then this is one, and you have to be careful of your orientation, right? I flipped it the wrong way when I was trying to get it. And here, it even makes a difference on your font, right? So I wanted a really bold font for that name, but I also needed detail for all those, like, they're sciencey kind of things, right? So, anywho, I managed to burn that, right? I burnt it all the way through. I mean, it was so bad that I burnt my tile. Yeah, so, yeah, don't do it that way. But anyways, we're having a lot of fun learning this machine. It's just been frigid, and we're in the south, and it's not frigid for folks in the north. It has been frigid, but I have lots of projects, right? As I saw stuff after Christmas, I'm like, oh, let me get those. Right, I've got some cutting boards I want to experiment with. All right, some more little ornaments. So if it's wood, it's pretty much fair game to come out to the barn. But anyways, we're really pleased with how these came out, right? That end result. And even though I backed off the numbers, right? The strengths and the speed and the direction. You can change the direction, right? If you're going up and down versus sideways versus vertical. I mean, like diagonal. Oh my goodness, there's just so many choices. All right, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like it, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, would you please consider subscribing? And well, until next time, happy crafting. This is going to be a fun one, y'all. Oh, I love this new toy.